Welcome to this tutorial for Trend Microsecurity. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Folder Shield to protect your files from a ransomware attack. This enhanced ransomware protection shields you from malware that can encrypt your files. When you've finished installing and activating Trend Microsecurity, open the Trend Microsecurity console. When the console opens, click Data, then Configure for Folder Shield. The Folder Shield introduction screen appears. Click OK to close the window. The Folder Shield configuration window appears, letting you choose the folders you want to protect. Note that some folders are protected by default. You may click the X button to stop protecting the folder, or click Protect More to protect more folders. The Choose Folders to Protect pop-up appears. Check the checkbox of the folder you want to protect. Click OK. By default, all connected USB drives are also protected. Click Next. A window appears saying your Folder Shield protection is on. Click Done to close the window. Congratulations! Folder Shield now protects you against malware changing your files or from ransomware encrypting them, so you can enjoy your digital life safely. This concludes this tutorial. For more information, go to the following website.